If you are following a vegan diet, especially if you are an athlete, you may choose to include a vegan protein powder as part of your diet. To decide if you would benefit from adding a vegan powder, take note of your protein needs and compare that with your intake of protein-rich plant foods. What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best vegan protein powders in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Sunwarrior Warrior Blend. Prefer a flavored protein powder? We love the certified organic Sunwarrior Warrior Blend protein powder in chocolate flavor. Made from a vegan protein blend that includes organic fermented pea protein and organic hemp protein, this powder is a complete protein source with all 9 essential amino acids, containing 17 grams of protein per scoop. The chocolate flavor comes from organic Dutch cocoa, an organic chocolate flavor, and it is sweetened with organic stevia extract. It provides 6 milligrams of iron per scoop, which is more than 30% of your daily needs. Additionally, Sunwarrior's Warrior Blend is soy-free, gluten-free, and dairy-free. This protein powder contains electrolytes, BCAAs, and MCTs to keep your body fit and functioning at a peak performance. Promotes lean muscle growth, a boost in metabolic rates, and optimum recovery of your body, all in one organic protein powder. This completely raw organic protein powder is USDA certified organic, low-carb, high-protein, non-GMO, 100% vegan and plant-based, soy-free, dairy-free, no sugar added, and gluten-free. Ideally for pre- and post-workout. Grain-free, keto-friendly, paleo-friendly, and kosher-friendly. Whether you're looking to lose excess weight, effectively gain muscle, or boost your energy, Sunwarrior's plant-based protein powder is the key to effectively diversifying your diet. Number 2. Garden of Life Organic Vegan. Garden of Life Sport Organic Plant-Based Protein is our top pick because it is a complete vegan protein source and is NSF certified for sport. It contains a protein blend including pea, bean, and sprouted lentil and garbanzo bean proteins, with 30 grams of protein per 2-scoop serving. Garden of Life Raw Organic Protein is certified organic and offers a good source of several micronutrients. One serving provides 40% daily value of iron, 42% of zinc, and 50% of both selenium and manganese. As a bonus, it contains an antioxidant-powered recovery blend including tart cherry, turmeric, apple, and blueberry. We like the chocolate flavor with organic cacao, but it also comes in vanilla. Garden of Life Raw Organic Protein includes the probiotic Bifidobacterium lactase. While the jury is still out on the benefits of probiotics in healthy individuals, this probiotic strain may have a beneficial impact on bowel function, specifically helping reduce the risk of diarrhea, an antibiotic-associated diarrhea, and may benefit immune function. Recovery drink. This sport protein powder promotes faster recovery with an organic high antioxidant blend of organic tart cherries, organic apples, organic turmeric, organic goji berries, and organic blueberries. Number 3. Vega Protein and Greens Vanilla. Vega Protein and Greens is a solid budget-friendly vegan protein powder option. It contains 20 grams of protein from a blend of pea protein, brown rice protein, and sacha and chai protein. In addition to the protein, it has a greens blend made from spinach, kale, broccoli, and alfalfa. The chocolate, vanilla, berry, and coconut almond flavors contain stevia as a sweetener, and the plain unsweetened variety has no stevia. This protein powder is an excellent source of iron, a nutrient difficult to get following a vegan diet. It also packs 60% of your daily vitamin K needs. If you take an iron supplement or multivitamin with these nutrients, you should look at the levels provided to ensure you don't consume either nutrient in excess. This product is certified vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and non-GMO project verified. No added sugar. Vega Protein and Greens is sweetened with stevia, our naturally calorie-free sweetener of choice. We know stevia isn't for everyone, so we also offer our stevia-free plain unsweetened flavor. Easy to blend or shake. Add an easy 20 grams plant-based protein to your day. Vega Protein and Greens can help upgrade your morning smoothie or provide a quick afternoon snack when shaken with water or non-dairy milk. Number 4. Now Sports Nutrition. This Now Sports Soy Protein Isolate is an excellent choice for a single-ingredient, high-quality protein powder. Because of the way they are processed, protein isolates have more protein per serving than protein concentrates, making them a good option for those with increased protein needs. Since soy is a complete protein source on its own, this soy protein isolate provides all 9 essential amino acids, including branched-chain amino acids, with a total of 20 grams of protein per serving. When consumed along with the other 6 essential amino acids, BCAAs can help promote muscle repair and synthesis and may reduce muscle soreness after a workout. This soy protein is non-GMO project verified and Informed Sport certified, which ensures it has been tested for banned substances by the world-class sports anti-doping agency. It does not include sweeteners or flavorings of any kind, lending it a more neutral flavor and greater versatility. Pure protein powder. Soy protein isolate is a good vegetable source of high-quality complete protein that has an excellent amino acid profile. GMP quality assured. NPA-rated GMP certification means that every aspect of the now manufacturing process has been examined, including our laboratory testing methods. Number 5. Sprout pea protein powder. Pea protein is a high-quality, complete vegan protein source, and we love Sprout Living's simple pea protein powder made with just one ingredient: organic yellow peas, providing 20 grams of protein per serving. Sprout Living's organic pea protein powder is certified vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, grain-free, and non-GMO. Yellow peas naturally contain iron, and this protein powder provides 5 milligrams of iron per serving, which is nearly 30% of your daily needs. Pure organic plant protein powder. Plant-based, organic pea protein powder without artificial sweeteners from 100% pure, North American yellow peas. Creamy, neutral flavor using the highest quality non-GMO peas and careful processing gives the best flavor of any pea protein on the market. Complete AA profile. 20 grams per serving of complete vegan protein. An ideal non-dairy protein powder for anyone looking to replace whey protein with an unflavored protein powder. Essential amino acids. Packed with a full array of essential amino acids, including a particular concentration of lysine. Pure, ultra-clean and 3RD party tested, dairy-free protein powder with no artificial or natural flavoring or sweeteners, gums, other ingredients or additives whatsoever. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.